Revision simple past tense. Wow. Imagine grammar as a time machine. When an action is finished, we send it back in time. And when it goes back in time, we use the simple past tense. Because remember, finished means past. So, when do we use it? We use the simple past tense for actions that happened and are completely finished. Yesterday, last week, long ago, I walked home yesterday, she played tennis, finished means past. Okay. So, regular verbs. Most verbs are regular. We simply add ed at the end. So, for example, walk becomes walked, play becomes played, watch becomes watched. The ed ending shows that actions is done. Finished means past. Irregular verbs. But some verbs are irregular. They don't follow the ed rule. Go becomes went, eat becomes ate, see becomes saw. That's no pattern. We memorize them, but the rule stays the same. Finished means past. Negatives and questions. In negative sentences, we use did not or didn't, and the verb returns to its base form. She did not go. And in questions, you would say, did you finish? And then remember, after did, always use the base form because did already shows the past. Now, if it's finished in the past, the simple past is used at last. So remember, finished means past. And now you're ready to use it correctly.